Yes, hello guys. Thank you for tuning in. This is Crystal Contractors. If this is your first time that you're viewing this channel, kindly make sure that you press that subscription button at least to support us on our work. So actually, there was something that was kind of tricky on my side, and it needed me to go to the professional in order for me to get the skill on how to do profile setting. So let's assume this is the way we have drawn this rectangle. We're just going to assume that this is our profile setting, and now we are going through this profile setting. After putting on the pegs and the required measurements, now we are going to get the full sketch of our house inside here, depending on the measurements that we are going to use in through the floor plan. So as you can see, these are the pegs. You're just going to get the dimensions, and then you make sure that you have you put your pegs in a form of diagonal. This is to ensure that your house will be in correct dimensions, and in order even to avoid some of the changes, because once you're on this stage, once you make some of the mistakes, they are quite hard to alternate when you've already done the trenches. So I'm going to guide you on this. Kindly stay tuned. Let me show you. So as you can see, I've already made a sketch inside. So this is our profile. As you can see, this is our profile. This here at the end, this is our profile. So after taking on the measurements, now through the measurements on the drawing according to the plan. Now that's why we assume we are on the ground. Hii tuna assume sasa tuko kwa ground. Now after taking the measurements from the plan, sasa ukiwa kwa field work, now these are some of the measurements that you are going to do. Remember, these are your pegs. They are able zinakusaidia on how to take on the measurement, and then once you do the measurements, so you are able to put a string from one end to the other, on the other side even from one end to the other, until you get the complete dimensions of the house, in which that will guide you even to get the actual dimensions of the house. And remember that your string needs to be diagonal in order for it not to confuse you and in later stages. So as you can see, now this is where I'm going to have my living room together with the kitchen. It's an open kitchen, and then the bedroom will be able to be set on this side. I'm going to have the bedroom on this side, on this end, the bedroom together with the lavatory, and then here I'm going to have where to do the laundry. This will be a laundry, and then here we are going to have a common lavatory in case you have the guest. So I'm just going to guide you on that. It's just going to be an easy task, and let me show you in a few. So guys, if you see, nimeshamaliza ku sketch my house, in which this is just a formality. It's just a rough work just to educate you on it. So naona this is my profile setting. Tayari nimesha set hii. Sasa tuna assume niko ground. Tayari nimesha set my profile all rectangle all around, and as you can see, these are my pegs. Kuna pegs all around nimeziweka, and then the other dimensions ni sasa wakati unaona kama the other one. So this is just to give you the line of the house from each peg, and then after now sketching the plan of the house, as you can see. So there are other dimensions. Tuseme the house from here to here, it's about kind of let's assume 3 meters. So you remember we have a wall of dimension mawe yetu tuseme ni ya 200 ile ya 9. So we are going to have, like here we are going to assume hapa tutaipatia around 100, and the other on the pia pande ya ndani ya 100, the same way kwa walls zote. So in order for you to direct, ndio nyumba yako sasa isipotee diagonal, isipotee, because kwanza diagonal ikipotea, now your house is going to be messy, and then rectify ikiwa juu, it's going to be a bad work. So this is just a simple way. Kitu basic ya kwanza, just know how to set your profile, and then know how even to read the plans, the dimensions zenye ziko kwa plan. And now once you know how to come up with a profile setting, it will be easy for you now to kufanya kwa ground roughly, even on a piece of paper. You're able to do it roughly and after that you are going to get the actual readings of the house, and even building, even for your workmen, or maybe the people assigned to carry on with the project, or maybe the works and the drawings, it will be easy on their end. So guys, if you like my job, kindly subscribe to my channel, and this is Crystal Contractors. Continue on supporting me. This is just a new formality of profile setting. Thank you.